Hello everybody, and thank you for joining us today. My name is Michael Berg and I'm the CEO for Envirotainer, the global market leader for secure cold chain air transportation of pharmaceuticals. But you already knew that. Today is an important day, but before we get started, I believe a bit of context may be useful. 35 years ago, Envirotainer set out on a mission to develop the world's best temperature-controlled air freight container. We've been on that mission ever since, having released 3 generations of market-disruptive innovations. It all started with the RKN and RAP-sized dry ice containers, and then in 2005, we developed and launched the world's first active container, the RKN E1. And then in 2010, we again disrupted the market by launching the world's first active RAP-sized container, the RAP E2. And then, 3 years ago, we made a strategic decision to set out on a new journey to again drive our market. Over the past few years, we've been investing heavily in gathering input from hundreds of cold chain and pharmaceutical experts from all over the world. And we boiled it down to 5 key demands that any new solution needs to address: temperature control, visibility, autonomy, cost efficiency, and sustainability. Since then, we've been working tirelessly on developing never-before-seen solutions to each and all of these areas, and we couldn't be more proud to present you with the results today. Enjoy.
The world is in turmoil, and temperature-controlled air shipments are facing new challenges. Challenges that are now even more accentuated by the ongoing global pandemic. We, as market leader, want to drive this industry forward. Therefore, we collected and gathered input from hundreds of industry experts and stakeholders around the world to define the key needs to address the challenges. Here is what we learned. We started the development of a solution that could match these needs, a long and sometimes tough journey. But finally, the end result, the first true innovation since active containers. The Rely RLP, a revolutionizing 3-pallet solution designed to meet the strictest requirements in pharmaceutical air freight. Thanks to our new innovative 3-pallet structure and industry-leading loading height, the Rely RLP provides unsurpassed volume efficiency. The Rely RLP utilizes the latest technology to control airflow and protect your cargo during the most extreme conditions. Our new airflow curtain provides an additional layer of protection when the doors are opened. Validated sensors provide data for seamless live monitoring, control, and management. This allows you to continuously follow the status of your cargo and proactively intervene if needed. With an unsurpassed autonomy of 170 hours, our Rely RLP maintains temperature for over 1 week without recharging and indefinitely if recharged. The Rely RLP also provides outstanding environmental performance, delivering up to 90% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to available passive solutions. This is our promise for a state-of-the-art solution.
The wait is finally over. Discover the Rely RLP. 5 key pillars are behind the creation of this groundbreaking new container: control, monitoring, autonomy, value, and sustainability.
These pillars mark the foundation of the first true innovation in temperature-controlled air freight since active containers. That's why the RLP tackles every challenge in the industry today. So, let's jump into the first of these pillars: control. Control is a crucial element when transporting valuable and sensitive pharmaceutical cargo via air. This new solution is designed to help protect your precious cargo and establishes a new industry baseline in cargo security. Never before has your cargo been this safe. With 100% temperature control, your shipments will never be too warm or too cold, no matter the outside temperature, type of product being shipped, or how it was loaded. It also has a fully independent temperature regulating system with full redundancy on all critical parts. This state-of-the-art wall and ceiling heating and cooling system means the entire cargo space maintains the same temperature, independently of how the container is loaded. The temperature control is also supported by vacuum-insulated panels. A network of integrated sensors enables cross-cargo temperature monitoring. If the doors are opened, the new airflow curtain reduces temperature impact to ensure the cargo is unaffected. And there is even more to increased control. The Rely RLP is developed with human error preventing technology to ensure correct handling. For example, you can set a timer for when the container is meant to be preconditioned in time for loading. And before sending cargo, the temperature setting can be locked to prevent accidental changes during shipment. To break it down, you can reduce the probability of losing control during shipments and reduce impact if it should happen. This new solution achieves both. To ensure even more control, Envirotainer provides an unsurpassed live monitoring system.
The second pillar that makes this new solution so remarkable is the monitoring system. Imagine being able to monitor the conditions inside the container in real time without waiting, delay, or compromise. Imagine doing this on all smart devices and knowing exactly where your shipment is and how it's doing. Imagine no more. Real-time monitoring is the new reality. The Rely RLP introduces a new dimension of visibility to the temperature-controlled air freight industry. That means you have the container status in your hands wherever you or your shipment may be in the world. You can monitor the Rely RLP's location, its temperature, battery level, humidity, whether the doors are being opened, and if there is cargo inside or not. No event escapes your attention. This gives you a full grasp of the status of your shipment. In these times of reliance on ultra-sensitive pharmaceuticals, real-time monitoring allows you to instantly act and take control of your cargo's safe delivery. Now, let us tell you about the third, equally impressive pillar: autonomy.
The Rely RLP has outstanding autonomy. When pharmaceuticals are shipped via air, unfortunately, you get variables that are out of your control. For example, your reliance on resources and assets in the temperature-controlled supply chain, not to mention their availability in unpredictable circumstances. Envirotainer's breakthrough RelEye reduces such reliance to a minimum. One amazing attribute is that the RLP can run unattended for over 170 hours. That's over a whole week of autonomous operation. Even if your cargo would be stranded for several days, you know that it's being protected. And this goes without saying. If it's charged, autonomy is unlimited. This next level of autonomy also supports a quick and efficient global qualification approach. The bottom line is that the RLP is simpler to operate than even passive solutions. And if this wasn't enough, it also brings value on many levels.
The value this incredible container delivers makes it outstanding in any class compared to either passive or active solutions. Let's take the new, impressive RLP format. This technical solution introduces a footprint that exploits a space of 2 one-pallet solutions on aircrafts to house 3 Euro pallets. This alone helps save more than 50% on air freight. The RLP format also offers a load height of 132 centimeters. That's the highest in the industry. This is all available for cargo loading thanks to the new improved airflow design. And don't forget, by combining solution sizes, the container can be optimized to fit just about any shipment. In combination with our other formats, the RLP simultaneously offer increased volume, efficiency, and flexibility. This brings us to the last, though certainly not least, of the 5 pillars which make this innovation so astounding: sustainability.
For Envirotainer, sustainability is as important as the reliability of a transport solution. Envirotainer is therefore very proud to be the first company within the industry to reach carbon neutrality already in 2020. And they're not stopping with that. The Rely RLP is setting a new standard within reducing carbon emissions. It's driving towards reducing the environmental impact of shipping pharmaceuticals to all those who depend on them, on time and in the right condition. Protecting life-saving medicines from being damaged due to temperature excursions is a vital component of making carbon dioxide emissions lower. The RLP can also reduce up to 90% of CO2 emissions during transport. Sustainability is a key component for all Envirotainer solutions. And this goes without saying that this includes the new Rely RLP. And that's all from us today. We hope you've enjoyed watching and learning more about the extraordinary Rely RLP that will change the transportation of valuable and sensitive cargo forever.
Now, some final words from Envirotainer's CEO, Michael Berg.
All of us at Envirotainer are really proud of what we have accomplished with the Rely RLP, and I want to thank you all for participating in this launch event. Even though we've covered a lot of information, we've really only scratched the surface of the benefits of the Rely RLP. So please go on to our website to find out more information, and don't hesitate to book a meeting with your local sales representative. The Rely RLP is the first true innovation since active containers, and it's ready for you to order now. We already have a fleet of Rely RLPs, and we will increase that fleet size very rapidly. So make sure to start your qualifications and get started on your next journey. Thank you very much for listening in.